Welcome, I'm using Motorola Moto G7 Play, and today I'll show you how to add a fingerprint to your device. So to get started, you want to open up Settings, and from Settings let's scroll down to Security and Location, and you should find Fingerprint right here. Unlike with your fingerprint, so set up. And before you can actually add a fingerprint, you will need to have additional ways of unlocking the device. You have a choice between pattern, pin, or password. Now I'm going to stick with pattern. Now you can choose whatever else you like. And for pattern, I just need to draw the pattern that I like. Tap next, redraw the same, and confirm it. And I can actually add the fingerprint. So just locate it right there. So I'm just going to start tapping away on it to get a... Now it basically tells you to get a good read of your finger all around. If you try to scan the same place, it's gonna basically stop and keep repeating until you do another location that it doesn't have. And from here you can add another fingerprint. You could try to add the same finger for a better read accuracy, or additional finger, or another hand, basically, depending on what you want. You can add multiple ones. It doesn't like stop at 2, so you could have more than 2, but assuming that's the one, you can then tap on done. And if you like the device now, you can unlock the device with your finger by tapping it on the back, or with the pattern. So the pattern, without either the fingerprint or the pattern, no one can get to your device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.